Ito ang TroneSmart Nemo 5 watts Bluetooth speaker. Nabili ko for 478 pesos from Shopee seller TroneSmart. Comes in 4 colors, weighs 110 grams, and has a mic to answer calls. Laman ng box is yung speaker na mismo, Type-C charging cable, and user's manual. Alright guys, once again, here we go. Triangular prism with rounded corners ang form ng Nemo. The body is made of an exquisitely designed and carved aluminum, evident by the speaker grille. It has passive bass radiator at the bottom side, and that's very impressive for such a tiny speaker. The clean detail in the crafting of its one-piece aluminum body is faultless, making it look premium. At the bottom is a neat-to-place steam-colored purple rubber footing for traction. This corner are the button's mic, USB slot, and lanyard. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on.